Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to start a journal and how to keep it up. You guys really seem to like the video I did like this previously, so I decided to make another one, but if you want to watch that video, the link will be in the description box, so feel free to check that out. And just a reminder, if you like this video at any time, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe because chances are, if you like this video, you'll probably like more videos I've uploaded. Yeah, kind of self-explanatory, so yeah, just hit that button down below. But enough of me rambling, let's just go right into the video. So here I have a list of all of my journaling prompts, so I'm just going to read them off. I'll try to explain the ones as best as I can, but since I have a lot of ideas, I won't be able to explain all of them like in depth. But I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any questions, just comment them down below and I will answer them as quickly as possible. Anyways, so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first one is bucket list for, so like for summer, for fall, for winter, whatever. Next one is dear future me, so what things are gonna what do you want to tell yourself in the future? Dear past me, my perfect weekend, so like what perfect weekend would you envision? And then my 5 short-term goals, like realistic goals you could do in like the next year. And then 5 long-term goals, like throughout your whole life. The next thing is 3 things, so like 3 celebrity crushes, 3 like my favorite 3 things or whatever. So it's basically 3 things, ... whatever you want to write about and why. And then use quotes, so this is probably one of my favorites. So find like a quote online or something and then just write about that quote, so like how it made you feel or like add on to it or like why you think it's good or why you think it's bad or something. And then the most terrifying experience I've ever had, the most exciting experience I've ever had, and like the most, I don't know, like boring I've ever been, you know, kind of like things like that. And then 100 things I love, so just get out your bullet journal and just like write a bunch of things that you love about the world we live in. And then you can say, ask the if questions. This is also one of my favorites. It's like, if I could eat with any person I wanted, like any celebrity, or have lunch with anybody in the whole entire world, who would I choose? And a bunch of things like that, like if I could go anywhere in the world for free, where would I go? Or if I could live anywhere in the world, where would I live? Things like that. And then traditions you have, so like traditions for Christmas, you can write about them and stuff, and like, or even your childhood traditions. That's fun. And then you can also do express your emotions. This one is kind of, I wouldn't say basic, but a lot of people do it, and that's because it's really helpful. It's kind of like therapeutic, and you can just write about all of what you're feeling right now, get it off you, like get the burden off, and you can just write about all your emotions. And then the next one is to write a letter. This one, even if you don't send it, just write a letter. Like if you want to confess about something, write a letter and keep it in your diary even if you don't send it. Okay, the next one is unrealistic dreams. So just go out there, and even this can go like unrealistic, like what kind of superhero power you might want, like crazy ideas, okay? So this next one is sleep dream writing, so like all the dreams that you had during the middle of the night. And this is me, guys, so if you forget your dream and then like last 5 seconds you're like, oh, that was a really good dream, and then you get out of bed, you go on your phone, you get into something else, and you totally forget about it. That's me, and it's like, I can't. And so basically you're just gonna write after you get out of bed, you're gonna go to your journal, and then you're gonna write everything that happened in the dream. And it's actually really exciting because dreams are kind of like really crazy sometimes, so it's really funny to look back and read what you wrote. And it's actually healthier too to not go straight on your phone, because if you do go straight on your phone, you will forget your dream, because like you can't write about your dream the night before you go to bed, so because you're gonna forget the dream you had the night before, so you have to do it right when you wake up. And yeah, it's really healthy too, and it's like really therapeutic. So anyways, the next one is what you're scared of. It's good to write about your fears, because then you can like come to terms with yourself that you know that you're afraid of something. The next one is write decisions you could make. So basically, should I what college should I go to, or what high school should I go to? And you can write about all the different pros and cons of each situation, and that can help you make a decision. And then the next one is really, really basic, and it's a diary. This is one of my favorites. And it's basically where you just write all of what's happened in your week, or your month, or your year, or your day. I write week just because I can't keep up with every day. Yeah, okay, the next one is people who you admire. So this could be family members, or a celebrity, or a neighbor, a teacher, or somebody that you admire, and you can write about that person. And then the next one is your inspiration. So what gives you okay, can't talk today. Anyways, so what gives you inspiration? Who gives you inspiration? These are all things that you can write about. And then what you do to find peace. So if you're not having peace and you're feeling very peaceful one day, then you should write about what you did to feel that. So the next time you feel really chaotic or stressed, then you can write about what you did to feel peaceful. Okay, the next one is last week. So last week, ... what made me happy, what made me sad, and all these things. It's kind of like the diary. Instead of talking about what happened though, you talk about what emotions you felt. And yeah, that's probably one of my favorites. A lot of these are my favorites. Can you tell? That's why I don't have more than I do, because I just put my favorites in here. And those are all the tips I have for you guys. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and be a good friend and share this video to some friends that you know are starting to journal, or somebody that you just think would like this video. Just spam your contacts. Just send everybody this video. Yeah, comment down below if you did that, because that would be funny, honestly. Anyways, so I know you guys get tired of me saying these things, but I'm going to say it again just because it would be terrible if you guys forgot to do these things. So first off, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And like I said at the beginning of this video, my goal is 10 likes. I know we can do it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe down below, just because why not? It's free. Me personally, I never turn down anything that's free just because it's free. I mean, no cost. And this is what subscribing is. No cost. So you might as well subscribe. Yeah, so yeah. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!